Hello friends, welcome back to Civil Cube channel. I am Mohammed Said. From our previous video, we find out the number of bricks based on the calculation. Today we are to we are going to find out the sand and cement quantity required to construct a brick wall. Here I take from the previous video volume of wall 75 CFT, total number of bricks 872 numbers, and volume of one brick equal to 9 inch by 4 inch by 3 inch divided by 12 into 12 into 12 equal to 0.062 CFT. Here I extra added a ratio, that is a mortar ratio is 1:6 based on the IS code. To find out the volume of mortar, we have one formula, that is volume of mortar equal to total volume of wall minus total volume of bricks. First we need to find out total volume of bricks, that is total volume of bricks equal to number of bricks into volume of one brick equal to 872 numbers into volume of one brick is 0.062. We solve, we get a value of 54.06 cubic feet. Then we need to find out volume of mortar. Volume of mortar equal to 75 minus 54.06 equal to 20.94 cubic feet. This is the weight volume of mortar. To find out the cement and sand quantity, we need to find a dry mortar volume. To find out the dry mortar volume, add a extra volume of 30%, that is the wastage. So we get a dry mortar volume equal to volume of mortar plus 30% of volume of mortar, that's equal to 20.94 plus 20.94 into 0.3. We get a result of 27.22 cubic feet. This is the dry mortar volume required to find out the cement and sand quantity. To find the cement, here we take a ratio. The ratio is 1:6. Here the 1 is a 1 part of cement and 6 denotes 6 part of sand. So the cement equal to 1 part of cement in the whole part of 7 into a volume of dry mortar is 27.22 into a unit weight of cement in terms of kg per cubic feet, that is 1440 divided by 35.32. So we solve this value, we get a result of 158.5 kg. To convert this kg into bags, divide the value by 50 because every bag of cement having 50 kg of cement. So we get a result of 3.17 bags. As same well as we do this calculation for sand, we get sand equal to 6/7 into 27.22. It's equal to, we get 23.33 cubic feet of sand. So this is the value of cement and sand required to construct this wall. So finally the result for the quantity estimation is number of bricks equal to 872 numbers, cement equal to 3.17 bag, and the sand value is 23.33 cubic feet. For the wastage consideration, number of bricks is approximately 960 numbers. To the round value of bag, the cement is 3 bags and the sand value is 25 cubic feet. So based on this quantity estimation, we can also do a weight analysis. We will see on our next video. Thank you.